Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to TechEasy. Today in this video, we'll see how you can use Google Gemini in different language other than English. That may be your local language, or whatever the preferred language you want, you can use. By default, when you open Google Gemini AI on your mobile, this is the mobile. Instead, I can just say, "Hey Google." This also will open the Google Gemini AI, or now for this tutorial purpose what I am doing is I'm just reaching to Google Gemini AI app and I am pressing this. And here, first of all, in order to use this Google Gemini in other language, first you need to add the language. So click on your profile picture at the top right and scroll down, and here you'll find the option called settings. Click on the settings. Once you click on the settings, here you'll find the option called languages. See here, click on the languages and click on add other language, whatever it may be you can add. Now presently I'm adding this as the secondary language, or you can use whichever the language you want. You can use this, just search and search your preferred language and just add the language. Now the second language, speech only, to use and speak to Gemini in a specific language, add it. That's what it is saying. So now I have successfully added that language. So now if I want to talk to Gemini, Google Gemini, I'll do a practical test. Okay, hey Google, कृपया शेयर बाजार की जानकारी समझिए. See, now I have gave the
शेयर बाजार एक ऐसा मंच है जहां कंपनियों के शेयर खरीदे और बेचे जाते हैं. जब आप किसी कंपनी का शेयर खरीदते हैं तो आप उस कंपनी में हिस्सेदार बन जाते हैं.
See, now I can communicate with the Google Gemini AI in the set language. Likewise you can set whatever your language may be. So I'll go to language again. I'll be removing this and adding another language. And okay, hey Google, ఈ రోజు షేర్ మార్కెట్ డీటెయిల్స్ చెప్పగలవా?
నేడు మార్చి 9, 2026.
See, so I just asked the Google Gemini to let me know the brief details about the stock market and current happenings in the stock market, and that too in the preferred language other than English. So it is giving the results and even replying me back in the preferred language. So this is very useful. If you are looking for this, if it is helpful for you, please do hit a like and share it to others. This would really help me a lot, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.